すごいな。
Two circadias, or in Japanese, semi. I don't think they're going to be very healthy if they keep on flapping around in there. Can we let them go, Ray? Can I let them go? No?
もう少し。
Moskoshi. Okay, we just caught them in this net. Two large bugs. This one's playing dead now. I think they play dead. Oh look, yeah. If you get up close to them, they play dead. But anyway, they're in the south of France. I remember them in the south of France. But they're very popular here too in Japan. And boys pick them up with their hands. I don't. Oh! Stop playing dead. Oh! There we are. The Japanese pastime is catching cicadias in the summer. They don't bite, I don't think.
じゃあおしまいですわ。
ああ、してもいいよ。もう逃すの？逃す？
いますよ、これ。
じゃあ。
そしてお風呂にしといてよ。
あ、いや、逃してるところを見よう。いや、ちょっと難しいかな。手でやらないと。Well done.